Today we are making bone broth, which is the first video in this series of foods to eat during pregnancy. Bone broth is rich in collagen and gelatin, which contains the very important amino acid glycine. Even though our bodies can make glycine normally, during pregnancy it cannot keep up with the demand, and so we do need to eat extra glycine during pregnancy. It's especially important during late pregnancy or your third trimester as your baby is growing, developing bones, skin, organs, and connective tissue. If that's not enough to convince you, there's also some research that shows that getting adequate glycine can reduce stretch marks. You can find the entire recipe in the description box below. I'm also going to link to my whole pregnancy workout yoga playlist. You can save the playlist and come back to the hundreds of different videos whenever you like. I'm also going to link to this video here on how to push and breathe during labor.